Okay, so this is page 2 of the study guide. Question number 4. So we have given that AP, segment AP and segment BP are tangent to the circle O. Answer the questions that follow. So it's asking me to find the length of OP. That would be the length from here to here. Well, I know that because they are tangent, the radius and the tangent line make a 90-degree angle. That's always the case. That means that I have a right triangle, so I can use the Pythagorean theorem again. I can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and c squared will pretty much be the length of OP. So 5 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. This gives me 25 plus 64 equals c squared, and 89 equals c squared. I have to get the square root of both sides. The square and the square root cancels out. I'm left with c equals the square root of 89. Well, the square root of 89, square root of 89, as we can see over here, is 9.43. So the square root of 89 in the calculator showed me to be 9.43. So that is the length from O to P. So segment OP equals 9.43. Explain the properties of circles and tangents you use to find the length. Well, again, I know that the tangent and the radius, the point where they meet, is a right triangle. Therefore, I can use the Pythagorean theorem. So radius and tangent are perpendicular. And then use Pythagorean theorem. TATHM theorem. All right, number 5 now. Given the measurement of, this is supposed to be arc. The measurement of arc RT, find the following angle measures. So if we take a look at this angle here, first off, angle RST, pretty much this angle, it's a central angle. And central angles are the same as whatever the measurement of this angle is. So this angle from here to here is 136. That means that this angle here, it's also 136. So angle RST is 136. No calculations needed. Angle A, notice that angle A goes from here, back there, and then here. This is angle A. Well, angle A is called an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle, for that we need the length of the angle from here, again, all the way here. And we got it, it's 136. So therefore, the length of angle A is going to be 1/2 136. And half of 136 is pretty much 68. And so far so good. By the way, these are degrees. Now the last one, it's angle STR. That's pretty much this angle. Here's the thing, this angle and this angle, they are essentially the same measurement. I know this angle here in the middle is 136. Now, plus this angle and plus this angle, we know all the angles inside of a triangle add up to 180. So if this is 136, this plus the 136 have to be 180. Well, I can do, if I want, I can do 136 minus 180. Well, this gives me 44. I'm left with 44. So that means that between these two, they have to be 44, and they have to be the exact same thing. That means that this is 22 and this is 22. So the both of them together are 44 and the 136 are 180. So this angle here is 22 degrees. And that's it for number 5. Now number 6, pretty simple problem. We call this angles formed by two chords. And for these angles, whenever you see a circle and there's an X in the middle and they're asking you to find either this angle or this angle, they're both the same. I want you to find this angle here. You need the length of this and the length of this, which we have them. What we're going to do to find the angle X, we have to add them together. So we're going to be adding 88 plus 86 and then dividing by 2. This gives me 87 as the answer. So the measurement of angle X equals 87 degrees. And that's it. Just add and divide by 2. Number 7, again, a pretty simple problem. It's really similar to this one. It's just this is just a little bit different. So anytime your angle is outside of the circle, as we see here, my angle is outside of the circle there. That means that I need this part of the circle, which we know is 20, and this outside part of the circle, which we know is 90 and 20. What we need to, instead of adding, we need to subtract them. 90 minus 20 and then dividing by 2. Well, 90 minus 20, that is 70, and 70 divided by 2 is 35. That means that the measurement of angle X is 35 degrees. All right, and that's it for page number 2. Now the next video will be for page number 3.